Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today we'll be unboxing this router from Mikrotik. The model number is RB951 series, as you can see, but that's the number. And when you turn this side, the full model number we have is RB951 Ui 2HND. On the rest of the box we have nothing. So guys, let us unbox and see what is inside. So when you open it, we have the quick startup guide. Then we have the power brick. The power brick. It supports from 100 to 200 volts and output of 24 volts. Then we have the router itself. The router itself is very nice. The router is very nice, very hard, very strong, if I can say. The plastic is very good, by the way. This plastic is very nice. And as you can see how it is, we have some cutouts here for what we call it fresh air, so that it does not overheat. That's very nice to see on the router. Then we have the Mikrotik logo here and the word router board here. And on the same top here we have some LED here, or action LED. The first one is for Wi-Fi. When the Wi-Fi you have connected or you have set the Wi-Fi, then we have 5 other for action if you have connected your ports, your Ethernet ports. We'll show you which Ethernet port you have connected. Then on the back here we have a power jack insert, where you insert your power cable here. It supports 8 to 30 volts. If you have that brick which has between 8 to 30 volt, you can connect it. Then we have the reset switch here. Then we have a power LED here, which tells you if you are connected to power here. Then we have action power LED here, action LED here. Then we have some Ethernet ports here. There are five Ethernet ports. The first one, it is labeled PoE in, as you can see. This the first one is still the one which you will connect to your modem here. Then the rest one, they are for your devices, where you will connect your devices. And this one, PoE, the router supports PoE up to 30 volts. So instead of using the traditional or normal power brick, you can use a PoE. Then on the side here we have a port for USB, so you can connect your USB devices, or you can connect your USB drive here. It has 600 mega CPU and 128 RAM. It supports 2.4 gigahertz wireless, that is Wi-Fi, and it has firewall and VPN, and you can manage your bandwidth. And it has router OS, which is operating system for Mikrotik. And on below here we have some feet, if you can see, for supporting the router and making it not to move, because they are rubber. As you can see, they are rubber. And then we have some holes or mounting here for if you want to mount it on the wall. Let me show you how you can connect the router. You can use your, as you can see, your normal adapter, that one, and you can connect it here for power. So you can connect it here. As you can see, we have power all. You can use your PoE PoE switch like this one. I have this little one here from TP-Link, so you can connect your PoE, your DC power brick there. Then on the we have some labeling here. We have PoE and we have LAN. So the LAN is where you connect your cable, which comes from your modem. So you connect it here where it's written LAN. Then you bring another cable here like this one. Then this one you connect it to where it says PoE in here. So you can see this one. So you connect it there. As you can see, we have power. So is when you connect that PoE in, we don't need the normal power cable. So guys, on my next video I will show you how you can configure the router online. So don't forget to subscribe so that you can be informed on when I will upload that video. And thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you on my next one.